Baby shark, do 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 do. Mummy shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do.
Good morning, Ocean. Boop, boop. I'm ready for fun. Who left this shiny shell for me?
I lost my glowy shell. Have you seen it?
Maybe. Follow me.
Baby shark wakes up with cheer. Morning friends, come over here. Sunlight sparkles through the sea. A perfect day for company. Baby shark swims fast and bright, tail fin shining in the light. Let's explore and play today. There's magic waiting on our way.
Little blue fish darts in quick, doing bubbles, clever tricks. Follow me, he giggles loud, weaving through a coral cloud. Kid turtle glides so calm and slow, where the gentle sea plants grow. Take your time, he likes to say. Enjoy each moment of your day.
Jellyfish drifts soft and sweet, glowing pink from head to feet. Wiggly arms float left and right, painting colors in the light.
Crabby twins come clicking by, waving claws up to the sky. Side to side they dance in tune, tapping rhythms all afternoon.
That pearl is mine.
Swim along,
We
come
dropped it.
sing
I'm
with
sorry.
me.
No need to be shy.
Baby
We're here
sharks,
to
big
help.
family.
Thank you. It's my lantern pearl. What
Friends
was doing
forever,
that?
wild
That
and
wasn't a
free,
whale. I wanna
living
go home
in
too.
the
Maybe it's
deep
treasure. Let's go
blue
find it.
Whoa, something FAST. Follow it.
Sorry, I was chasing a monster train.
Through
A
the
train
seagrass tall and
underwater.
green,
Finny, the
they find a
bubbles are
path
talking
they've
again.
never
We
seen.
should follow them. To
Treasure shells
match
and
the shape.
shiny sand, sparkles drifting
where the
through
pearl
the
wants us to go.
land.
Bluefish zooms to scout ahead. Turtle checks where currents spread. Jelly lights the darker space. Crabs keep tempo in the race. Baby shark leads with a grin. Every friend is key to
Shining train probably went this way.
Let's go.
Train
Swim
definitely
along,
crashed here.
come
Where is
sing
it now?
with me.
Oh, it's big train.
Baby
Wow,
sharks,
which
big
way?
family.
I lost my tiny
Laughing,
shell.
learning, playfully.
Maybe your hat and
Friends
Finny's shell are
forever
connected.
by
A trail of
the
tiny
sea.
footprints. That pearl is mine. I dropped it. I'm sorry. No need to be shy. We're here to help. Thank you. It's my lantern pearl. One piece. The train was here.
Let's push it out.
There it is. After it.
Friends forever.
One piece. The train was here.
Let's push it out.
There it is. After it.
Best day, EVER.
Choo-choo-doo-doo.
Thank you, friends.
Anytime. We are happy to help.